Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 40 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display. Right here we've got all settings for your display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change display brightness level, enable or disable adaptive brightness, manage lock screen preferences like notification style, privacy, skip lock screen, add text on lock screen, show wallet, show device controls, control from locked device, and double line clock. Next, you can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. Then you can enable or disable dark theme, also schedule it. Next, you can change display size and text, enable or disable bold text and high contrast text. Then you can enable night light and also schedule it and adjust it. Then you can enable colors between natural, saturated, and you can change color temperature. Then you can enable or disable flicker prevention, auto rotate screen, enable full screen mode for apps, you can set screensaver, attentive display, and then you can change display refresh rate between auto, 60 Hz, 120 Hz and 165 Hz. Next, you can enable or disable peak display, 3-finger screenshot, edge lights, swipe to split, ready for function, and you can change screen record preferences. And that's basically it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.